Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking back on my video. Thank you so much for sticking around. My name is IAMNEYENWA for short. I am a Nigerian YouTuber living here in Lagos, currently serving in Lagos. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. This is like one of the requested look I got from my current favorite video. I mean, one of you, my besties, like I should film a makeup tutorial on that look. Honestly, I wanted to film it, but I wasn't sure if it was going to be accepted. But seeing that you guys wanted me to film that, I am thankful, and here I am filming it for you. Thank you, Akoma, for that amazing request. I'm going to leave our request here so you guys see it. She requested for this tutorial. So this is it, baby girl, and I hope you watch this video. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to have our intro and then we'll dive right into the video. And we are back. How did you guys see my intro? Did you like it? That's the new one. That's the new intro for our channel. Please let me know if you like it in the comment section. Okay, so first things first, I already applied my skincare products off camera. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing skin prep all over again. I'm just going to go straight to my primer because all of my skincare products are hydrating products. I have an oily to combination skin, so everything I've used for my skin prep, my skincare prep, are all hydrating products. So I'm just going to go in now with my Becca Primer. So this is going to be my mattifier. I'm just going to apply this in my T-zone area. So normally what I would do first, if I was doing like a normal, if I was going through the normal procedure for my tutorials, I would definitely like wipe my face with my wipes and micellar water, but I'm not going to be doing that like I said earlier, because if I do that, I'm taking away everything I've rubbed. So I have my sunscreen on right now, and I'm just going over with my mattifier, and then we'll start proper. Okay, so that's basically what I do. Nothing serious. I'm just going to place this on the areas I produce oil the most, which is my nose. I ain't into other gossip. Placing it in my chin as well. I already have gloss on. Guys, today is Lagos makeup fair, and I'm supposed to go and meet my baby girl there to support her because she'll be doing a live demo on one of the stands there. So I pray I finish on time and I'm able to get there in time. So you guys see, the places I produce oil the most are already like drying up. Like you guys can see how matte it is already. I'm just placing that, and I'm going to place some too on my brows because I want it matte. Can you guys see this part is matte, and then this other area is a bit glowy or hydrated? So that's how it should be. This will be like my first talk through video. I haven't done like a talk through video before, and I hope this goes well, guys. But obviously I'm going to be adding a little bit of music, I think, in the background. Yeah, so we're going to go straight to foundation now. So for foundation, I'm going in with this Huda Beauty in Mocha. I don't know if it's Mocha or Mocha, I don't know how it is pronounced. So I'm going in with that, and I might top it up with Classic in Amber. Why? Because just to get my undertone. So that's the reason why I'll be topping it up. Okay, so this is what the Huda Beauty looks like, and this is what the Classic looks like. If you've seen my my current favorite video, you would definitely know that I am binging on this right now. Why? Because it is a product for, is a foundation for oily skin, and I have an oily skin, so I'm just mixing both together and then we'll blend right up. So I'm just going to place this here to be sure it's my shade. Okay, I think that works. I think we have the right mix. I'm going with my foundation brush, and I'm just going to buff this there all over my face.
This is my favorite. Boys don't tell us, no, they only tell the truth.
Can you see how this place looks and how here looks? This is just one layer. In case you see me looking this way, I'm using a mirror here. I don't want to block you guys, so that's why I'm looking this way.
But when he is out with his friends, he's not giving a fuck.
Okay guys, so this is what one layer did. Didn't go over with another mixture and then top it up. So I'm fine with this. I'm okay with this coverage. Okay, so the next thing to do would be to contour. I'm a big fan of contouring before highlighting, so I'm going to contour, and to do that I'll be using the classic foundation in Cocoa. I'll be using this shade to contour, and to do that I'll be using my foundation brush too as well. I'm just going to place that there and I'll blend it upwards. I see this thing is dark. Ooh, quite dark. It's like 2 shades darker than my actual skin tone.
Ready. I'm gonna get the room ready to lay 'em down, down, down. I'm gonna get the room ready.
So the next thing would be blush, and for blush I'm using the Lady V Beauty palette. I love applying my blushes before concealer. I'm going to use this shade and this one here, these two. Place it here on the high point of your cheekbone.
Room for that play. It's out.
So I'm going to use this brush. It's from the Vicabel brush sets. I'm going to use this to blend it out.
Gonna be late. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna.
If you are not adding cream blush to your routine or blush at all to your routine, why, girl? Why? You need to. You're sleeping on that.
I'm gonna get the room ready. I'm gonna get the.
So once this is done, I'm going to go in with concealer now. We're going to highlight. I'm not going to contour my nose now because I've not highlighted the nose. So once I highlight the nose, I'll contour. So I'll be using my Blossom concealer in I60 Push. I have a video on here. It's like my top 5 affordable drugstore concealers for oily skin. So if you've not seen that video, I'm definitely going to link it up here so you watch it. And if you have an oily to combination skin like me, you can get any of the concealer there and use for your highlights. They are all good products.
Why can't my head match my heart? You should be.
Guys, so I'm just going to wait for this concealer to get tacky a bit, and then we'll start blending. I'm waiting because the consistency of the concealer is just a little bit watery. It's not so thick, and I want that full coverage. It has a medium to full coverage. I really don't know why I'm still talking about this concealer. Like, seriously guys, if you want to see the review on this concealer, just watch this video. My top 5 affordable concealers for oily skin. So besties, I really got tired of waiting for it to dry. I had to go in with my fan. In case you're wondering why I'm not blending this part out, I really want like here to be a bit dry, not too dry. I really want, when I blend it out, it has a very nice coverage. So rather than blend out now, I'm just going to blend out the other parts and then I'll come back to that one.
Were my feelings ever true? Because when
So I think we're going to blend here now. I think that's it has dried up for a little while. Can you guys see the coverage? Bombshell. I'm going to do this side too. So the next thing to do now will be to contour my nose. You know, we already did the contour and I was just waiting to do my highlight before I contour my nose. So we're going to contour the nose now. So to contour my nose, I'm using the same foundation I used here. I still have it at the back of my hand here. So I'm just going to take a little bit and contour.
the adoration you give, 'cause I gave it to him.
So I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and blend the ash line out.
Do I even deserve you? Do I even deserve you?
Next thing will be to set now. And to set my face, I'll be using the RCMA No Color Setting Powder. I'm going to use the other side and pat my translucent powder there. So can you see how this looks? I'm going to do the same thing on this side too.
Can I take my time?
Don't worry, I look like a masquerade right now. We've already set the highlighted area, so I'm going to set my entire face now with powder. And for powder, I'm using the Urban Beauty in Abuja.
Right now, nothing's been the same, and you're the one to blame.
Next thing I'll do now is to powder contour. I'm using the Maybelline New York powder in shade, is it cacao? Okay, yeah, I think it's cacao. Please do let me know in the comment section which of these techniques do you like. Do you prefer to do cream contour, or you prefer to do powder contour?
You're on my mind like all the time again.
So after doing that, I'm going to do the powder contour for my nose too. I'm just repeating the same process I did with the cream contour.
Love feels so true. I don't tell you.
Next thing to do now, we're going to bake. And to bake, I'll be using my Foera Filter setting powder. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's in the shade medium deep.
It's the best I found hands down. Never known a man.
So the next thing to do, we're going with my powder blush, and I'm going in with this CPD blush. It's a 4-in-1 blush. If you've not seen my favorite video, again, I put it to you that you're not helping me, neither are you supporting me. So please go watch my current favorite video. So I'm going to use this shade and this shade.
Just me and you. You're on my mind like.
So after doing that, I'm going to do the reverse contour.
Your loyalty, the way you handle me. Love feels so true. I don't tell you enough.
So we're done with skin work. We're going to go straight to my brows right now. And for brows, I always like to brush up my brow hair to get rid of any residue from powder or foundation. So the next thing to do, I'll go in with my hair wax.
I wanted you, been worth the wait. You're one in a million, so don't ever change. You found.
I'm going to wait for it to dry, and then I will set it before we draw the brows.
What you're doing, I'll always stay true.
So to draw my brows now, I love to draw my brows with Edgar and Esther brow pomade. Okay, so I'm using this shade in Ebony. Of course, I'm using my favorite brush. Yes, baby. Can you see that outline? This baby right here, go and get it. This was the brush I was talking about in that video. Can you guys see it? This one is also the same thing as this one, but this is smaller. So I had to get this because I knew what I wanted. To fill in, I'm filling it with my Davis pencil, the new upgraded pencil.
I don't mind you.
For highlighting, I'm using my Blossom concealers to highlight, and I'm using the Girl Corner eyebrow flat brush to do that.
I don't mind you making me wait, 'cause nothing worth having is easy. Nothing worth having is easy. I can say that I'm cool with riding with the brakes on, girl, we gon' get there eventually. Genuinely feelings are deeper than physically. Feeling this energy, knowing you into me.
So I'm done with the brows, guys. We're going to go straight to eyeshadow right now. But before eyeshadow, I'm just going to set the part I highlighted in my brows.
You can take as much time as you need, baby girl, 'cause you're worth it.
For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Blossom concealer as my eyeshadow base. So what I like to do with my eyeshadow is I like to start off with my nose first. I like to drag the first shade of my transition powder to my nose. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So I'm going in with this Nuban Beauty powder. This is exactly what I did, or how I created that look. So this is going to serve as my first transition color, and I'm just going to take this and apply it at the beginning part of my brows here.
I won't listen to my mama. I wanna know. Just let me do my thing.
And for the eyeshadow, I'm using this Eye Magic 35 color eyeshadow palette called this one. more. And I'm using that same brush I used earlier. I'm just going to take that. Make sure you blend out your crease lines before you place your eyeshadow. If not, what you see is what you get. So guys, basically this is what the eye looks like it's just one eyeshadow and my powder. Yeah, so this is how I achieved that. What I also did was I smoked out this area of my eye, and to do that I'm using this black shade here. It's like I'm drawing a wing liner, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing underneath this area of my eye. I'm going to go straight now to applying black pencil under my eye using the Absolute black pencil. I'm going to dust off my under eye. So now to dust off this, I'm using my big powder brush. I'm going to apply the cheek glaze, the TM Essential cheek glaze in Drop It. After that, I'm going to go in with this blush shade from the same brand, TM Essential cheek glaze in Drop Dead. The way this one used to shine, I just like to do very little because sometimes it overdoes itself. I'm going to go in with my mascara, the very tiny one. This is from Zaron. I'm going to pop on my lashes. I'm just going to apply my highlighter from Northern Beauty, the Glow in Accolades. For lipstick, I used my Adventure concealer as a lip liner. But we never listen or no, cause we don't want to. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Probably does. But when the next thing to do will be to spray my face with a setting spray. Before I spray my face, I like to do this. I'll spray my beauty blender. I'm using the Nuban Beauty blender, the Nuban Beauty spray. I'm just going to damp my beauty blender, pat the rest of the water on my face. Before you lay at night, you got the. I will then spray my face. Does he leave when the sun goes down? I know I'm good reason to stick around, and once he comes back, he gon' want me back. Loves, this is the finished look. I already popped on my wig, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial section, guys. Okay, let me know how I did on my first talk through makeup tutorial with you guys. Let me know how I did in the comment section. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. Definitely reply. I love to reply you guys. If you have any other video you would like for me to shoot for you guys, please let me know in the comment section. I definitely would do that for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out any other video when I upload them. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.